Hello everyone. So I parked my car at Haneda Airport when I went for a short trip to Hong Kong, and it's a private garage that I booked because I left half of my luggage in my car. Nope, you're not gonna see my password that I used. So I'm back to Tokyo now, and it's picking up my car from Haneda's P4 parking. So these are private parkings here at P4, and you can book them at this link. So in this video, you'll see my point of view drive from Haneda Airport to my hotel at Kabukicho, driving on the Shuto Expressway through many tunnels. We'll drive through Ikebukuro, then Shinjuku, and finally the Kabukicho district. Stupid me here. I kept trying to get the ticket into the machine when the gate was already open. So I was told afterwards that they do have license plate recognition and saw that I paid already, so the gate automatically opened. P4 parking is very conveniently located just across from Haneda Airport Terminal 3. We are leaving the airport area now. As you can see, the parking lots on both sides light up the sky and it's quite beautiful. We're approaching the only ETC booth for this drive. Because the previous owner took out the ETC card hardware when he sold me the car, I have to go through the manual payment every time on this trip.
2000. Okay.
I was told it's actually quite a bit more expensive to pay this way. I must say, all the attendants at ETC booths are always very nice and polite. Alright, off we go. I was actually quite tired at this point, having been traveling all day. Damn it, I should have gone to the fast lane on the right, like this guy. Here's my chance now. I just love these lights on the highway. It's so scenic. I love the way these arrows are set up. They're great visuals for blind turns. You gotta love how cars and trucks will go to the slow lane when they see you coming from behind. I love ripping through the tunnels. Their settings give such a great sense of speed. Next, we'll arrive at Ikebukuro. Why not directly to Shinjuku? It was because the GPS stopped tracking me inside the tunnels and I completely missed my exit. So note to myself, I have to watch for the intended exit name and don't just rely on the GPS's location. It's a Thursday night at around 9 p.m. and Ikebukuro is still quite lively. So to me, Ikebukuro is more of a shopping district and restaurant spot. Here, we've arrived at the busiest areas of Shinjuku. Look at all the neon signs. Here is the Shinjuku JR station. It has an intersection that's busy all the time. This strip coming up is mainly the shopping district. Finally, we enter the Kabukicho district. This is the part of town that never sleeps. It's not as busy today because it's only a Thursday night. Some say Kabukicho is ghetto, but to me, I've seen much more ghetto places than this, so I feel very safe here myself. Look, this dude is taking a picture of my car. We're entering into the heart of Kabukicho now. Here on the left is the busiest strip at Kabukicho. And here's my hotel, the Appa Hotel Kabukicho Tower. It is one of the more budget-friendly hotels, and I like this location. I always park at the same spot in this parking lot, so I can always find my car.